Hey, CT, GypsyBandito.com. So I told you that the new media is by definition the multimedia. Well, if you didn't believe me, I'm here to tell you that you're wrong. See, it turns out that this Google engineer, David Bailey, was given a presentation at Search Engine Strategies in San Jose, and he was given a little bit of an explanation of how universal search works. Now you see what universal search is. It gives you a search results page with a little bit of blog, a little bit of website, a little bit of image, a little bit of everything, right? So they go and they crawl all their own verticals and they take what's most relevant from there and they give you a result. Well, he also led on that those people who rank for certain kinds of verticals, well, that affects how well they rank on the normal search results. So, if you don't believe me that universal search is the future, well then, you should at least believe me that whether you like it or not, multimedia search verticals, they're the present. So yeah, CT, GypsyBandito.com, reminding you one more time that I'm right. Talk to you later.